So today we're unpacking and unboxing and putting together the brand new Ergatta Lite, which is essentially an Ergatta Rower, but at a price point that is substantially less than the original. And with it being lighter and slightly smaller, it might even be more ideal for smaller spaces like apartments or just houses with limited room for more exercise equipment. Now, as I put this together, let me know in comments how long you think it actually took me to put it all together. Did it A, take me 20 minutes, B, take me 40 minutes, or C, take me 1 hour? Now, I will be doing a full review of this Ergatta Lite coming soon, and also a comparison with the original Ergatta that I still have here and use. Now, one of the things I like most about Ergatta in general is its aesthetic. I think it just looks outstanding to have in a house, and that's actually one of the reasons why I keep the original Ergatta up in my living room, just because it looks so good there. And putting this together, this doesn't look half bad either. You know, the wood type's a little different. It might not look as dark and nice as the original, but with the price being lower, I could totally see this being worth it, especially if it feels and functions the same. Another nice part about having a water rower like this is it doesn't make too much sound, and the sound that it does make is sort of relaxing and kind of nice to have in the background. So I really enjoy that about the original, and I assume it's going to be kind of the same sound here. Now, looking at this overall, I definitely can notice some differences. It does feel significantly lighter, but that doesn't really impact how it feels to row, just how it feels to move. The screen also lifts up a little bit differently than before. And one of the things I noticed right away that I actually don't like about this one compared to the original, and it's a small thing, but the cable. With the Ergatta Lite, it seems that the cable plugs in directly into the screen, which isn't as nice as the original, which has you plug it right into the wood in the bottom part of the Ergatta, so it's a little bit more hidden and a little bit more out of the way. And if there are only a few pieces like that that are the difference between the original and this, with the price difference between them, you know, it's going to be a hard choice to make between them, I think. So we'll have to test it out and see how everything goes. We'll also be testing out some of the new modes that Ergatta has released over the past year or so, including a brand new AI coaching tool that I'm excited to jump into and check out. So be on the lookout for that review. As always, this is Colin Jenkins with Connect the Watts. Appreciate you being here, and I'll see you next time.